Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to download the job pending clients in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to the operation module. Here, we have to select the operation dashboard menu. On this operation dashboard page, we have to select the date range. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. Now the operation dashboard will be displayed on the particular date range jobs. Here we have to click on the pending claims button. Now the operation dashboard pending claims will be opened on the screen. If you want to download the details, here we have to click on the options menu. Then we have to click on the download button. This is how to download the job pending claims in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.